Breaking news, homicide detectives are at an apartment building in McKees Rocks. A woman's body was found in a refrigerator there. Good evening. Welcome to those of you watching on CBSN Pittsburgh. I'm Ken Rice. Let's get right out to Nicole Ford for what we know about the investigation. Nicole.
Well, Ken, residents of this apartment building behind me tell me over the last few days something just didn't smell right inside their building. A few of them decided to look into that smell, not realizing that they would find a body. County police say they got that 911 call to Helen Street in McKees Rocks around 9:45 this morning. Police confirm a woman's body was found in a refrigerator in the hallway on the second floor. We talked to the neighbor who followed the odor with his neighbors and first opened the fridge. He said it had been in the hallway for a few weeks facing the wall, so he turned it around and opened it to see what was causing the smell.
I don't even know if it was the person at first, but at first I just seen the hand and a dirty sheet. It was gruesome. As I see it now, when I come out of my apartment, awful.
Now, we are waiting for county police to remove that refrigerator from this apartment building. Investigators say they hope to release more information soon, but anyone with information is asked to call the county police tip line. Live in McKees Rocks, Nicole Ford, KDKA News.